It's all-time high. We don't have any fib levels and any confluence over there on sell, so we'll focus on buy instead. Use Fibonacci and VXY and silver. Yeah, always. I use fib on those two and look for like reversal zone possible, so I can match it with gold. Sell? No, I'm not. I will not look for sell. As I said, selling is extremely dangerous. We keep on making those higher highs, getting close from all-time high. Like when you buy, then I would like to buy at 85. If you don't go there, we'll see. But 85 is a good buy zone. If you look for a bit lower, a bit higher, I mean, if you take it from the last impulse over there, want to trace a fib, the other buy zone would be at 91, 92. It's a small fib though. Buy zone 85, right? Yeah, around that. Sell is a high risk trade right now. I expect you want to take the risk. I'm not gonna take the risk personally. If you want to, you can try, yeah. But taking a short at all-time high, in my experience, it works like 1 out of 10 times. So if you want some good odds, don't go for a sell. Are you in Dubai bills? Yes, bro. Just got back. How do you know when it's good to sell or buy on the levels? I mean, clean structure, good levels, good confluence. DXY doing the inverse of what I want on gold. Silver following through, good fundamentals. I'm getting respect. A lot of things, bro. It's in the supply zone now. For what? Not that far from the zone. 100 pips, 90 pips away. This 38 over there is good also, but there's really extremely no confluence on it, so I don't think I would try 38. Did you take the buy 1 hour ago? No, I was at the airport, bro. Just got back. Just got back home right now. Was the flight, bro? Pretty good, man. Always good to fly Emirates. I miss you. Miss you also, bro. Yeah, open for 517 since Thursday. I just woke up now. Well, good morning. Always good, man. You ever hold a trade over the weekend, Bills? It's pretty rare. Not usually. I like to close my trade for the weekends, but sometimes, wait for a buy zone. Yeah, exactly. Buy zone. Are you using fib for buy and sell? Yeah, for both. Yeah, of course. Coming down at 94, 70 pips away from the buy zone. Let's be patient. Are you back in Dubai? Yes, sir, bro. Which trade is this? UA XAU USD, bro. You explain the football setup. Which one? The zone that I circled? We have a small fib 61 with the bigger 38. It's always good to use the 38 on all-time high. There's a big information how to use the fib. Yeah, of course. Hello, Bills. What's up? What do you think about forex trading? It's good. You have other account? Not really, no. All the rest are fake account. What's the standard spread on vintage? I don't know. I don't trade with them, bro, so can't really tell you. Why you don't take the sell? Because there's no sell to take, bro. Pretty simple. You have Mark Becerra. Nope, I don't. I didn't. Price action is slow right now. Ranging 94 to 4600. We need gold to pay our bills. Yes, bro. We went to trading school and he is genuine. I really don't know him, so where's the fixed spread? I think it's 0.08. Pretty much nothing. Welcome back, Bills. Thank you, bro. Shiny. Sell, bro. No. I was Canada. Okay, bro. Okay. But now sell? No, not really, bro. Stop saying sell. You guys just want to take a trade too much. Sometimes the best thing to do is wait for a good zone. Wait for a good trade. Which pair? XAU USD. If we can get into a nice buy before New York, would be nice. Would be really nice. This looks like a buy more than a sell. Yeah. If I had to choose between those two, I would buy, bro. Of course, you're at all-time high. You really want to sell. For my extended, it's 50 kilo is the best that I can use on gold. Um, I would tell you maybe one, so it will go down. Maybe it will go down, maybe it will go up. Either way, we're waiting for a buy zone at 87. From 85 to 87, it's good zone. So we'll see. It's good for a sal? No, bro. Not really. Wait for the buy, bro. We're getting closer. We're 60 pips away now. We're getting there. We'd like to see gold going below 93. You want to sell and buy zone. First trader I see waiting. I mean, what do you want to do over there? There's nothing to do. It's all-time high. Don't sell all-time high. If you want to buy, wait for a retracement. I think it's the only TikTok live with real trading. You know, not just buy and sell on 20, 30 pips on order blocker. I don't know what's it's called, but. I really don't know if price is gonna be able to go below 93, man. It sucks. Price action is slow and it's London, so it might stay in that range. I hope not, of course. I hope we can get lower. It would be perfect for a buy. Every trader that is now in a position is fake. Yeah, unless you're on the buy from lower, you know. If you're holding your buy from lower, it's good. But if you just took a position like an hour ago, you're stupid. Yeah. You're going to be live every day, Bills. Yeah, every single day, bro. For London and New York. You're trading on a family account. No, I have my own funds in my account. Hold these back up. As I said, I think we'll have some difficulties to go lower 93. London session, no news, all-time high, classic range. Sucks. That's what's happening. A lot of people are thinking to sell, and I think all those sell will give like 50 pips, 60 pips, but not good. Okay, for scalpers, yeah, whatever it is. Many sell set up crying now. No scandal or showing a sell. Am I wrong? Stop trading with emotions, bro. Just trace your zone. It's not about one candle showing a sell or buy, bro. You're just gonna it's gonna give you a hell of a headache if you try and buy or sell because of one candle. You just lose some money at the end, bro. Is this gold? Yes, bro. Before I build your cool website for managing and recurring Telegram community, can I show you, please? Yeah, show me, bro. Are you copying with jet lag? Wait, what? How are you copying? What does it mean? Time frame. This is 5 minutes right now. What is your trade if it continues going up? Well, I'll just wait for a new retracement, bro. How many pips do you expect to catch from your buy zone? I'll probably put my TP at 180%, probably 250. Is jet flag affecting you? Yeah, of course, always. But I'm getting used to it, so it's all good. But yeah, of course, I think jet lag affect everyone, bro. If you're flying with a 9 hours difference, it's normal. Can we go lower? Goldie. We'll drop till 45, 44, bro, my opinion. It's possible, bro. Possible. We'll catch a retracement at 61, which is right. Let's see if we have a structure with that. We have to start by getting lower 93. That's difficult right now. with your Fibo. I think the first one is at 45.80, around that, a bit lower, and the other one is at the top lowest candle that we made. Starts at 45.61, the big one. Let's drop gold, 60 pips away. It would be a nice buy zone on 61. Just need a small structure and we'll enter. It would be nice to grab a nice buy before New Year. Let's go. And two, perfect. Let's go. Looking to the buy, right? No, I was getting out the plane for the buys. It sucks. I'm waiting for another buy right now. It's perfect that we're going down. Really happy about it. Today's your first profit in Dubai. It's going to be my first profit in Dubai since I'm back. You know, not lifetime. It's a good thing we closed below 92. That's perfect. Let's see if we can go to 87 right now. We're just 40 pips away. Pretty close. Let's go. $35 pips away. Let's go, Goldie. So difficult go down. Patience, guys, patience. Don't panic because it's low. Normal, it's London. It's been a long time since we traded London. I forgot the price was so slow sometimes. But it's good because when you're in my zone, it creates a nice structure, so it's more easy to enter. Yeah, but Bills. What's up, GB? What's good? The XY is flying up, yeah. We should have the retracement we want on gold. Just need a little bit of more retracement on gold, and we'll be right into our buy zone at 87. TP 600. You probably meant 6,000, but yeah, it will be 1 over TP, but not full TP at 6,000. But it will be probably TP to in the group. So yeah. Let's give you. Will you give an entry in the group as well? We'll see for the public group. We'll see. SL. We'll need to wait for a structure before telling you the exact SL. TP for his buy. We'll look for some TP at 6,000 and also at 4,600. Sorry, 4,600, and then probably a bit higher also at 180%. 46.09 is probably going to be our full TP over there. Should we enter? Not yet. We're gonna wait for price to touch my buy zone. We were 20 pips away a couple of seconds ago, so be patient. It's around 87, the buy zone. DXY is slowly pushing down. Okay, we'll see if we can go more down on gold. We just need 20 pips more. Let's go. What time frame is this, sir? It's a 5-minute time frame, bro. If not the zone, we have the 88 a bit lower. Is nice with 50. So probably this 88 with 50. And if not, the bigger 61. Is also good. So let's see. Between those two zones is going to be probably a good reaction. Especially we're here with trendline, it's always good to see this trendy getting involved. Got pretty close from it. Let's see. Buying 87. If we have structure, yeah. Black line is a trend line, correct? Yeah, trend line, exactly, yeah. Gave a reaction 10 pips away from the buy zone. Anyway, there's no structure at all, so it's all good. We went to what? We went to 87.87. Wow. Black line, yeah. Supports at 85. I mean, the zone is from 85 to 87. So we'll see between those two because we have FIB 38 at 85. So which is also interesting on a higher time frame. So we'll see for both. But yeah, from 85 to 87 is the buy zone. And we have lower at 88 also at 81. See what happens. For those that haven't joined the Telegram group, as I said, I sent a lot of trades there. I think last week I sent 2 trades over there. We took wins on both. So for those that haven't joined Telegram, just click the link here in bio, okay, and then click 3 little dots at top right, and then open in browser. Okay, you'll be in the group for free. So it takes a second. Let me see if we have some requests there on Telegram. 39 requests. Okay, so I'll accept you guys in a second. Just make sure to send your request before we take a trade, and I'll put you right in the group. Welcome in, guys, for those who just joined. Strong reaction onto 87.8. There was probably a lot of liquidities from buyers earlier, but I think there was a lot more lower. But whatever, maybe just some quick manipulation. We'll stay patient. I hold sell. Um, I mean, if you took a sell, I would have hold for sure. Yeah, my stop loss would be at break even, and I would just wait if I was you, bro. Bill, how are you feeling? You got jet lag? Yeah, I'm extremely jet lagged right now. To be honest, that little 9 hours is fucked up. But sometimes in life you have to do what you have to do, man. That's it. Whatever how you feel, bro. I'm holding a break even. Yeah, it's a good thing, bro. Keep it that way. How long have you been trading? It's been 4 years and a half. About it. Around 4 years and a half. It was the one. It was the 1 hour open. That's why we get such a reaction. We'll see. We might come back down in a second. How was your first year mentally, etc.? Honestly, first year was really rough. It was really difficult. But after 9 months, I practiced my my patience, my mentality, and my a lot of stuff, man. I read a lot of book and practiced myself. And after like 9 months, I was starting to become profitable. So the most tough part was probably the first month. It was really difficult, over trading and everything. Since when you live in Dubai, it's been 1 year now. It's hot in Dubai now. It's not that hot. No, it's like 20, 23 degrees, 24. At the start of trading, time to buy. Pretty close from Bison, yeah. We'll wait for price to touch 87. I learned so much just by joining your life. That's the goal. That's good. That's the goal. 35 degrees here in South Africa. Goddamn. I'm in Dubai, GP. With fake outs and buying stress and every. Yeah, I feel you. When you have someone in front of you that says patience, a fake out, it probably helps you. DXY is coming back up right now slowly, so we'll just be patient. We're only 35 pips away from the bison, so let's be a bit more patient. Which broker are you using? I use raise effects. looking goal all-time high again. Yeah, I hate all-time high. Thought we retrace at the 50 level going up. On 50, I mean it's a really small fib, so that's why this small 50 I'm not going to trade it. The 50 fib level works better on higher time frame, not lower time frame. If this was like 1 hour fib or something, I would look for it, but not on this small time frame. Five-minute charts, yeah, bro. Right, we're approaching buy zone now. Good job for those who waited. It's a good thing. There we go. Touch 61. We have trend line also at the same time. Let's see if we can close above 61, close above trend line a couple of times. So let's wait for a structure and then we'll look for a buy, okay? Don't just click on buy because we touched the zone, okay? We always wait for a clean structure, some good rejection. As I said, lower is really good also at 38. We have 38 fib here, so it's good also. Is this gold? Yeah, bro. Let's wait for a clean structure and then we'll look for a buys, okay, buys. So let's be Let's be patient. It's this gold, yes, bro. I think it will take a pretty good level before we burn up. That's why we're gonna wait for a structure. So always wait for a clean structure, and then if we have one, we'll look for a buys, but not before it. Okay, so for right now, we're just gonna wait. I'll tell you guys if I take the trade. For now, still being patient. There's no rush to take or use bookmap. Not even, bro. I feel like bookmap confused me more than anything. So we're gonna wait. I know this is short, bro. This is not short, bro. It's a fib 61 with fib 38 with trend line. It's not short. Time frame you on? It's 5 minutes. 5-minute time frame. So guys, as I said, we're not gonna take a trade unless we have a really clean structure. So let's wait. The structure is simple. It's like a consolidation. Okay, so we want some candle to stay together. Something like this. Okay, over there, it was a really clean structure over here. And you look at this, like a couple of candles, you know, that create rejection every single time. Doesn't make lower low. This is a really clean structure. Okay, so if we have something like it, we'll look for a buys. For now, let's be patient and let's wait for a clean rejection from this level. It will go more down. I mean, don't try to predict the price, bro. Try to adapt to what's happening, but never predict the price. It's not good. TP1, let's see, probably 45, 21, 22. TP2 will look for 4600. TP3, as I said earlier, 4610. 09, it's good. This is 5-way. Finally, after 2 coffee, I took it went down. Yeah, we don't predict here. We react. Exactly, GP, my guy. What we do, bro. The usual, bro. We wait for a structure. Always. Always wait for a clean structure. Are you in? No, not yet, bro. I'll wait for a structure and then I'll tell you when I'm in. Don't worry. Can I enter, bro? Can enter if you want, but me personally, I always like to wait for a clean structure, some good rejection of the level. I would like to see the reversal in the XY also. So let's see if it closes above 61, it would be perfect for a level. Okay, so that'd just be perfect. For those that haven't joined Telegram group, okay, this is where I share a lot of trades with you guys. So this is where you can trade with us. So if you wanted to join, just click the link in bio, okay, and then click three little dots at top right, and then open in browser. Okay, you'll be in the group for free. Come and join us on Telegram right now. I'll accept everyone before we send the trade, okay? So no worries, there will be a very big decline. See, hi there, bro. What's good, bro? Okay, bro, we'll wait too. Perfect, bro. Good reaction so far. It's good. We have the 15 minutes closing also in 1 minute and 20 seconds. So it's a good close on 15 right on our level. It reacted good. And we're going to close above trend line and above 61. So it's perfect, honestly. Bills, I hate gold all-time high. Yeah, we all do, bro. We all hate gold all-time high. Never gives a retracement. It's extremely difficult to buy on gold all-time high. I don't know why. It's always difficult to buy on gold all-time high. Never gives buy. Could you please make new deposits? Maybe another liquid sweep at the new all-time high. Probably, yeah. Maybe not a sweep. Maybe we'll push higher a lot. So we'll see. Extremely bullish close over there. 92. That's what I'm saying when I'm telling you it's difficult to buy, man. Anytime a big reverse will either be cut and break even and hit the sell shit. Yeah. All time high sucks. Those are you in? No, not yet. There was a good reaction to the level, but we closed 50 pips above. So it sucks a bit. We're gonna wait for a retracement back on our level or just a bit above. We touched it now, so it's good. When to enter? As soon as we have a structure, bro. As I said, I showed you a couple of minutes ago what's a nice structure. Something like this. Okay, some nice candle that reject the level. It's always a clean one to see. So yeah, this one was nice. You can also look for this one, it was nice. So just some candle that reject the level. That's what I like to see on my level. So let's see. Coming back down. We'll see if we can reject the trend line again. And then we'll look for a buy real soon. Wait, is this gold? I keep on telling you, bro, this is gold. Do you know any other thing at 45.87? Like, bro. Gold is sell. You can take the sell if you want, bro, but we keep on going on to all-time high. We can't see the price. Yeah, but look, buy zone 45.87, right over there. How many pips are needed before setting a break even? Normally I wait for like 40, 50 pips around that before break even. stop 45. Or how many pips are we aiming? Probably 250, 250 pips. Always good. Would love to be in a buy before New York session. So, how many pips are stop loss? Normally it's 30 pips, 40 pips sometimes, around that. From 30 to 40. How much are you trading your portfolio in percentage? Um, like how much I risk per trade, you're meaning? Normally it's like 0.3%. It's pretty much nothing. I win the trade. Not yet, Dana. Soon though, we're waiting for a structure on 61. During 88, yeah, around 88, 89 is a good entry. Great R, yeah. R is always good. We hit last week, I think, 1 to 11 trade and also 1 to 11 risk reward and 1 to 10 risk reward also, I think. 4 trade, 4 win last week, so let's keep on this beautiful streak that we have. My bills, how you decide on the day if you are selling or buying. Depends on my storyline that I have at the moment. It depends on fundamentals, depends on the chart. Like right now we're at all-time high, we're not selling for sure. We want to look for a buy, so it really depends. We're every day. With that 30 pips, yeah, it's better 40, 50, but 30 pips is okay, but it depends what you took. Maybe it was good to protect your capital, so. You must have a serious account if you risk only 0.3% on 10.5 lots. Yeah, it's pretty serious, yeah. Pretty serious, GP. Gotta be serious. $387, where did I sell it? TP. A sell will have to go below the lowest wick we made, so I think it's 45.85 point something. And TP will, it depends for you, but for me, I think 46.09 full TP will be good. Buying? No, not yet. Not yet, but soon. Starting to form a structure. This candle over there was not good. The XY is pushing up, so there's no way to buy right now, but soon. If we have a nice structure on the back on my level, even if we can grab some liquidity, would be nice. We'll just see. Did you learn trading by yourself? Yes, bro. You trade trendline? Yeah, we tried it. It looks good on trendline so far. Some good reaction. We'll just wait. The XY is pushing up, so we're not gonna look for a buy right now. We're gonna wait. It's a good reaction from the zone. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad, but the XY is pushing up right now. We just made a huge red candle. We'll wait for a retest probably. Trade in Q, bro. No, only gold, bro. We wait. Yeah, of course. Waiting for structure, bro. For those that wanted to join us and trade with us on Telegram, join us, okay, before we take the trade. I request is to join. Yeah, let me accept you guys right now, okay? I will accept everyone on Telegram, okay? For those who haven't joined, just click the link here in my bio, then click three little dots at top right, and then open in browser, okay? I'll accept you guys right now. It's free to join, okay? Just send your requests here in the group, and I will accept everyone. As I said, we send some trades in the group always, okay? So last week, you can see some trades that we took. It was probably a lot more last week. Honestly, it was amazing week, 250 pips. It was some nice trade we took last week in the group. Okay, so join us. Let me accept you guys right now. There you go. Come and send your requests now, guys. Link in bio. There you go. Welcome in, guys. Appreciate you. Let me continue over here. Good reaction again on trend line. We're gonna stay a bit more patient until DXY can reverse. We have a lot of DXY is pushing a lot right now, so let's be a bit more patient. Let me know if I haven't accepted you yet in the group. Trying to accept everyone right now. What we do, bro? Patience. Patience, my brother. Always. Are you long right now? No, not yet. We grabbed some nice liquidity on the XY we need to grab. If we have a reversal right now, we'll be good. We'll look for that close over there. It's going to say a lot for sure. If we can close above this trend line. Or no. I still enter long? Yeah, of course. You win? No, not yet, bro. Not yet. No structure, yeah. No structure at all, bro. There's no reason to be in right now. The XY is pushing like this. It's a bit too risky. We'll see, but this candle looks good so far. So we'll see in the next candle will probably tell me if I get in or no, okay, because we have the 15 closing for the next one. So let's see. For now, the 15 probably looks really good. Yeah, looks really good on 15 minutes. We'll see next candle over there. And we'll probably wait for the 15 to close. See if we can have a retracement over there. The entry, optimal entry would be like 88, 89 is good. But we need to see the XY stopping pushing like this. You want the retest to enter? Come on, Goldie. Yeah, bro. Of course. We need a retest to like at least 90. Like 90 is good. Knowing gold, it's possible it doesn't give a retest. Can I buy at this price? It's a bit high, to be honest. It's a bit high. You'll have to put kind of a big stop loss. But if you want to buy at this price, I mean, it's a good buy. It's a good zone. It's just for me, it's too high. You know, I'm not risking that much pips. And putting my stop loss at 89 for me is not really valid. So I need to put it at 86. So I prefer to wait. I think the only entry we can have would be on the next 15 close. We can have the next 15 minutes open. We can have an entry, so it's going to be in 3 minutes. So we'll see if it can give us something. For now, let's stay patient. Are you in now, Bills? Not yet, bro. If we miss it, we have New York. Yeah, exactly, GP. Would have been nice to be on a buy before New York, but if gold doesn't give us a structure, we're not gonna take it. That's why it's slowly going down. 15 minutes is closing in 2 minutes, so we'll see. TP, TP is gonna be. You can take some at 4600, but I have some another zone at 4609 that is interesting. Okay, so 4609 is a good reversal zone also. What's your nationality? It's Canadian, bro. I'm in 99.2. Drop. Good luck on 91. It's good. I would consider stop loss at break even at 95. When it touched 95, doing a sell at break even is good. Are you in, bro? No, not yet. TP 4609. Yeah, exactly. Reaction from trend line. Yeah, it was good. It was a clean one, especially on 15 minutes. Really clean. TP is 4609. Yeah, 09. That's what I keep on saying. 09. Are you waiting for a sell? No, I never sell on all-time high, bro. The 15 minutes is gonna good. It's gonna look amazing now. Over there. Let's see. We would need another candle that touched like 90.5 to look at it, but it's more risky. Should I buy now? No, not now. Wait for the next candle. We're closing the 15 minutes right now at 92.5. We need a retracement until like 90. If we don't buy. We're pushing right now. Straight on it. Really clean structure on 15. Whoa. Whoa. Why we shouldn't sell at all-time high? Trust me, it's really stupid to sell at all-time high. Just don't do it. Are you in? No, not yet. I was waiting for a bigger structure and a bigger on 5 minutes. Still not in yet. Look at that. Yeah. Weird price action right now. So the percentage of your chart, it's Fibonacci levels. We went to 45, 90.3. That's why we stay patient, guys. There you go, GP. JP, you woke up on the good foot today, bro. You have some patience. You're optimist. That's great. 88. 88 is a good buy zone. Yeah, it's better, but we'll need to wait for a good rejection before buying, not just on a falling candle. On 15, it's probably looking good. We're gonna close. It's like we're retesting the trend line. 87 is good to go along. Yeah, it's good, but we need to wait for a rejection before buying. So not just buying because the price is good. We need to see a rejection and then a new structure because we went above now. So we need to wait for a newer structure. Not a big one, just two candle at least that like close in range and respect it. So if we close below like the trend line right now, it doesn't look really good. We need to see some good rejection. You have to teach me to be patient, always, bro. We continue to buy till tomorrow. I think so, yeah. Hope we close below. We'll see. It'd be nice to close above trend line, honestly. 1 minute 20 before the close, so let's be patient. That's why I like you, bro. You're patient. Always, bro. Always, always, always. We might grab some liquidity also from the lows over there. There's probably a lot of stop loss, so don't take a trade yet. Should we buy now? No, really not. You beat a fake out bills. I always beat those fake out, yeah. Honestly, there was really no entry possible before this candle, so yeah. 587. Yeah, if we have a clean rejection, yeah, we'll look for it. For now, have to stay patient, bro. And we probably grab some nice liquidity over there. This candle. In Dubai as well. Nice to meet you, bro. Always, I watch your live. You are a good trader. Thank you, bro. How long in the game, bro? It's been 4 years and a half, bro. 4 years and a half in this easy game. Not kidding. That's it for one session. We'll come back for the next live. Yeah, but we'll trade New York later anyway, so all good. We'll be live for New York also for trading. Would be nice right now if we can take a buy on this level and hold it till New York. Always like it. Can we buy now? I will not buy now, to be honest. I will wait for just a small structure. You know, I want another candle to resist the level, and then we'll do it for a buy. I haven't took any loss last week. Okay, we took 4 trades in the group and we win them 4. So I want to take a good trade. You know, I'm not trying to force anything right now. I'll be patient and focus on the plan. As always, patience. When buy, I'll tell you as soon as I get in. I'll tell you as soon as I get in, bro. For those that haven't joined the Telegram group, okay, join us. This is where I share pretty much all those trades. Okay, so last week we shared some nice trades with the group. Okay, so for those who haven't joined, just click the link here in my bio on TikTok. Okay, and then click three little dots at top right, and then open in browser. Okay, you'll be in the group for free. It's simple. Just click in your bio. Let me see if we have some requests. Okay, I'll accept some people right now in the group. Okay, so if you haven't sent a request yet, send it. Let me accept some members right now in the group. Okay, let's go. Welcome in, guys. Appreciate you. There you go. Already request you're in, bro. Patience is what I need to work on. Probably, yeah. Patience is everything, bro. Okay, the XY is pushing back down. Gold's pushing up. It's good. Send request, my friend. Perfect, bro. Let me accept you right now. I just put you in, guys. For those who just request a couple of seconds ago, you're in. My God, those candles, man. Quick reaction always. 15 over there. Grab some more. We needed to grab some liquidity, it looks like. I was not expecting this live. Greetings, Bills. Greetings. I have sent, bro. You're in, bro. All good. Nice structure on 15. Yeah, on 15 now it looks really good, honestly. If you want to place yourself for an entry from 89 to 90 is good for an entry. And yeah. Back here, Bills. Yes, I'm back in Dubai, bro. That bro, sorry. I mean, in Bills, no, not yet. This candle was really good, honestly. It showed me that we just needed to grab some more liquidity before going up. Now let's just wait for a small retracement before buying. I'm telling you, it's really difficult to buy on those all-time high. Always some move like this, some grab before going up. So. Welcome back home. Thank you. And finally home in Dubai. It's the best. Montreal or Dubai. Dubai, bro. Tough one on that one because we touched the zone and then candle right after just shoot up. So it's not clean structure. You know, it's not that nice to see. Still not entered? No, bro. I always wait for a structure before entering, and bro, one candle that touched my zone, and then the second one that straightly shoot up. It's not a structure for me. So, like entering on the buy over there on this candle at the bottom is not good. It's really not good. We just made a huge fake out on this candle over there. You don't want to buy on this candle. It's luck over there. I mean, you can try it, but on the long run, you will be unprofitable. So we focus on the long run here, not just making money right now. a clean structure that you can look at is something like this. Candle that stays together, creates a nice structure, no lower low, no drag. It just comes down and then shoot back up, and then you're up. It's simple. You enter on this one over there, the blue one, or this one over there, or this one over there. There's a lot of entries over there. But if you look at this structure over here, you touch the zone and straightly shoot up. And then you're too high. You don't want to risk 60 pips on this trade. So that's what happens. Maybe will be monitor RSI before entering a trade. No, bro, I don't. It looks like 94 is resisting a lot, huh? 94 looks good. I like to see ideally rejecting the zone. At least 3 and entering on the 4th one, Consolidating now, yeah. We are. If it breaks, it will fly, yeah. If we go above 95, we should go back up to all-time high. You do private courses by any chance? Not really, only to some of my VIP members on Telegram. It's a logical explanation for why that kind of structure forms. I mean, because the structure I just showed you is really good rejection, nice wicks. You want to see some wicks over there on your level, it's really the best thing you can have. Wicks like this, it's good rejection. It shows the buyers have control over there, they have power over this zone. So, yeah. When you see things like this, it's more of like a battle between sellers and buyers, and they look pretty even right now. So it's like 50-50, But when you see wicks like this, you see the buyers have a lot of control. But here, it doesn't look like we have control. It just looks like we're fighting together, and it's ping pong, up, down, up, down. I don't like it. So you're getting trades, no, not yet. I don't like the current structure, to be honest. I don't like it. It's just we're more consolidating over there for a while. Because, like you said, if we can find an entry now and run into New York, it would be great. Yeah, it would be great, but I don't find any entry right now. Waiting for one more rejection or better structure. Better structure for sure, bro. I really don't like those candles over there. I don't really like those candles over there. Cross section swimming with dislocation, yeah. Yeah, I don't really like it. It shows us that it's really PM session from London, so it's always really difficult to take a buy-in. Price section is so slow. PM session from London, it's terrifying. Like we might stay in that range till New York. Like it's really possible. So you really want to get into a trade that will stay in this range over there till New York? Not really. So. When you're planning to buy, if I had a good structure, I would have buy, but the structure is really disgusting. And I'll look if we have something nice before 3 p.m. To buy time in 10 minutes because I don't like to trade the PM session from London. I rather would trade the open. The first 2 hours is always good on London, but after that it becomes really bad. Only ranging, no clean move, clean impulse. So it sucks. Market so slow makes me angry. Yeah, a PM session from London. It happens every day. It's normal. Are you trading gold? Yeah, bro. Yes, sir, my bro. We're gonna make a higher high. Looks insane for a sell. If we were not at the all-time high, yeah, it would be a good zone for sell. But since we're at all-time high, it sucks. The bills, yes. Can you be my mentor? Join the VIP group on Telegram, and I mentor pretty much everyone in Telegram in the VIP that has some trouble. So, yes. Market seems like it's stuck. I mean, bro, it's PM session from London. It's always stuck. PM session from London. But yeah, we might stay in that range till New York, bro. It's possible. It sucks, but it's possible. Yep. Are gold and silver somewhat correlated? Yeah, of course, they're correlated. They are really correlated. Hi Billy, what's up, Rashid? It's good. When is New York Sesh? It's in exactly, let me tell you, 3 hours and a half. It's at 9:30. But I'll start the live an hour before New York session, so like 8:30 New York time and 5:30 Dubai time. Mm, 4,600 incoming, yeah, probably. Probably. When is the news? There's no news today, bro. No news affecting gold today. You ever buy physical gold? I mean, jewelry, yeah. Jewelry only, not break of gold. You know. Think we are flying in New York? Probably, yeah. Should we buy? The price was lower, yeah. Because did you hear you're missing words when you come back to Dubai? How are you, sir? Not yet. Not yet. Was my guy. What's up, Mason? What's good? Not yet. I will probably hear it as soon as I go to the coffee shop. I'll hear it. Welcome, sir. Why not physical gold? It would have been good last year, huh? I rather day trade my gold. Was it too late for buy entry? Honestly, yes, it's too late. But you know what? I'm not even mad about it because this zone will probably mm, not give what I wanted to. Be honest, it's PM session from London, and price actions will probably stay into that range. So, I mean, you can buy, but you will get. I mean, how many times we would have been like break even on this one, like, bro? Going up, break even, going up, break even. Like it's annoying, you know. And for me, for my strategy, the way I trade, you know, the way I win every single day, I don't take a trade in this current structure that we had. So, you know, like I look back at it right now and I don't see any entry. So like even after looking back at it, it's rare. It's at all time high, yeah. I hate all time high, bro. You know what? When I got started to trade, yeah, always, bro. Always. You know, journaling my trade is probably what made me profitable, so I will not stop doing it once I'm profitable. You know? So yeah, of course, risky, bro. Yeah, always better off waiting and protect your capital. I will probably just wait for New Year, to be honest. If we go above 95, yep. I mean, for those in the live that took the trade at 87, good job. Really good stuff. It was difficult to hit your sell over there. I think it was not possible to hit your sell. So good job. Got in at 89. It's a clean entry, bro. 89 was good. Price action in London, bro. It was pretty slow, bro. I didn't really like the price action this London sesh. Okay, now we're going above. We're approaching 95 will probably close above. For me, as I said, I will not take a trade after 3 p.m. Okay, Dubai time. I mean, it's price action is extremely slow, and as I said earlier, also I will not take a sell on all-time highs. So right now, I'm pretty strict with my rules right now because all-time high are really risky, and I'm not trying to, last week we made some really good profits with the group, 4 trades for a win. I'm not trying to, risk to do those wins at the all-time high. So if I take a trade, it's because it's really good. Patience is best. You're the best I see. Yes, bro. See you later, Bills. I'll see you later, GP. What do you think the TP is the best? 4609 is 180%. It's a take profit level, so I would look for that if I was you, bro. Best sell is so risky. People are brave. Yeah, really brave. But it's not only that they're brave, they're a bit stupid also. That's what I mean, speaking in code. Yeah, got you. Mark Bakura. I got there was second people that talked about him, but no, I don't. Okay, guys, I think I'll close the live. To be honest, I will not take a buy this high. It's really stupid, and it's PM session from London. So if I was you guys, wait for New York. Okay, we don't have any news today, so the price will be extremely slow. And whatever you take, I don't think it's gonna give a good reaction. Whatever the trade you might take, so I think we'll just range over there from 95 to 88. So I'm not trying to be stuck in a range till New York. So I will not buy until New York session. So be patient, guys, and wait. And don't take a sell. Also, okay, all-time high sells are extremely risky. It's limit stupid to take a sell also on all-time high case. So be patient, guys, and let's wait for New York. We will be back tomorrow for London also, but we'll start earlier. Okay, today I was just, as I said, my flight was delayed and had to come back home. So tomorrow will be better. I'll get some good sleep so the jet lag is over and we'll make some nice profit again. Okay, so no worries. I'll see you guys for New York in 2 hours and a half. Okay, at 8:30 New York time, I'll be back for New York. So I'll see you there, guys. Ciao. See you later, Bills. Ciao, bro. Ciao, Danilo. Later. Yeah, later. Don't oversleep. No, I will try to sleep like a good 7 or 8 hours tonight. Bye in a few hours. I'll see you in 2-3 hours. Yeah. Ciao, Bills. Ciao. Later, guys. I'll see you in 2-3 hours.